In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a 2D drawing in Solidworks with the help of 3D model. So this is our drawing shaft. You will see we have isometric view, section isometric view. Now here you will see top view, front view, left side view. If you see this one, just check at the bottom. This is first angle drawing. Okay. Now here we will find material, polished, and surface roughness, chamfer, fillet. This is otherwise section view. There are two types of section view. You will see here A and B. Then there is a one detailed view. There is two detailed view. So let's try to create a 2D drawing and learn how to make a 2D drawing in SolidWorks. Look, this is our 3D model. If you want to draw, just check our drawing and you can make it. Let's say section view. Look, center, there is two holes. If I am going to say right side, left side, front plane. Okay. Now at bottom you will see we have two hole, threaded tabbed hole. That's it. And we have here one groove. See. So let's try to make a drawing for this. I'm going to open make file, make drawing from part. Okay. Now we entered in drawing format. Now first sheet format, we have to select number of types of sheets. So I am going to choose here, let's say NC landmark A3 size or A2 size. Okay, NC. If you only standard format, it will show you only 4 formats. But if you uncheck, you will see too many number of formats. Okay. A2 and C, you will see the width and dimension, everything here. Let's say okay. Now see, if you want to change this one, right click on sheet, properties, and from here you can again change it. Even scale also you can change it. Let's say here 1 by 1, sheet name by default this one. Now first I am going to change angle, first angle. Okay, apply changes and close. That's it. Now if you see the view palette, here we have too many drawings. Okay, too many views. Now even you can choose model from here and select shaft, or even let's say browse, and you can browse your part, or even though you can directly import view from here. Let's say I am going to drag first top view, so I am going to drop here. Now see, if I move my cursor, it will show us other view. Let's say I am going to move up. This is front view. Just click and place. Now see. Okay, or press escape key to out. Okay, now we have this one. Click this part, and here you can choose dimension style, so that we can see all the visible things. Okay, now it's time to make section view, because okay, let's say projected view. You can make any projected view. Uncheck, let's say projected view, and select this view. Now see, you can make a projected view for this view. So if I'm going to select here, now see, this is our left view. Here select OK. Fine. Section view. Now here we have section view, vertical or horizontal. So let's say first horizontal. So I'm going to click on center. Now it will show you these options. If you want any arc offset or any single offset, notch offset, you can do it, but we are going to make a simple one. So I'm going to select here OK. Now look, this view is created. Let me place here, right click, press escape key to out. Now right click on this part, alignment, break alignment. Now you can drag it. Okay, Now again right click, alignment, make horizontal, align horizontal by center. Now select this part. See, this is aligned with this part so that it looks better. Okay, again I am going to section view, this time choose vertical, and I am going to select this one and say yes. Right click here, press escape key to out. Now let me do one thing. Here choose rotate. I am going to select 90, apply, close. But you will see these cutouts shows upside, but actually these cutouts at bottom side, nearer to bottom side. So select this one and change here flip direction. Look. Okay. Okay, we have to first break the alignment. Right click, alignment, break alignment. Now drag and place somewhere here. Right click, align, align horizontal by center. Now this time I am going to select this part. Now this is all aligned together. Now I am going to take down. Let me place at some proper equal place. Okay. Now look, if you want to change this line, click on this, and here you have applied to component, material cross section. Let me check, unchecked. Now here you can make solid, none, or hatch. Hatch also you can change from here. Let's say I am going to give gray cast iron look. Now if you want to make dense, so place 2 number, enter. See. Similarly, I am going to select this one. Gray cast iron, because gray cast iron has 2, enter. Okay. Now look, we have a section view also. Let me open, and here you will see isometric view. You can drag it. If you want to make shaded or unshaded, you can keep as it is. Okay. Now there is one more option called detailed view. Okay. Now just place somewhere here, drag, make bigger circle and drag and see. Now even though if you want to keep as a circle, keep as a circle. See, you want to give the name to this. Okay, come down. I'm going to change unit 5:1. Now it looks better. Okay. Okay, let's make one more section view so that we will see how this cutout works. Section view, horizontal. Now I want to fix at center for this. Okay, this is the, I think my cursor stop here. It means it is center point. So I'm going to click here, say okay. Look, okay. Place here, flip direction. Okay, this is going to be perfect. Right click and alignment, break alignment. Now let me move this component somewhere here. Okay, right click, alignment with align vertical by origin, and select this part. Now see, this is aligned with this part. Okay, let me delete this. We will later apply different. Okay. Now let at center I am going to change, uncheck this match cross section, cast 2 number of pattern. Now it looks better. Okay. Okay, here right click, tangent edges remove. Now it looks more clear drawing. Okay, that's why we always right click, tangent, tangent remove. See, drawing looks more clearer. If so, always hide fillets. See, okay, here we need it. We can tangent it. Okay, look, the drawing seems more visible and more clear. Okay. Okay, top view. I'm going to place somewhere here. Okay. Now I'm going to choose section view. Now here half section view, and I am going to select this portion. Select this one. See, place somewhere here. Okay. Now let me hide this part. Right click. Okay, this is the view 9. So view 9, from here, right click on view 9, hide. Now it is asked, would you want to hide dependent view? If you want to hide this one, say yes, otherwise no. Okay. First let me break up alignment so that we can place at any place. Now right click on this part and make isometric section view. Look how you can make, this is the way you can make isometric section view. First you have to create a section view, then you can right click and make section view. If you right click and here see remove isometric view, that's it. Click on this. Here also you can apply, let's say 2 hash pattern you don't like, so I am going to choose gray cast iron because this is simple pattern. Okay, look, now let me drag somewhere here so it looks more visible. Okay, that's it. Now we created all the drawing. Now it's time to do some more thing. Let's say I'm going to apply activate smart dimension. Select outside to outside. Now look, we have here 0 0. So option, documents property, detailing, not detailing, dimensions, and come down, dimensions, remove, trailing 0. Look where this. Okay, look, 0 is removed. Now okay, let's apply some more dimension to this. Now here tolerance, I am going to choose here symmetric, 0.01. Okay. Now here choose chamfer dimension. You have to select 2 edges, 1 or 2. So it will show you the exact angle. Let me change layer so it looks black. Look. Similarly, I have to do at bottom. Select 2 edges. Fine. Okay, let me. Okay, that's it. Simply smart dimension. Now I am going to select from bottom to here. Now here also we have a symmetric dimension. Okay. Here choose intolerance symmetric, and the precision shows here plus minus 0.1. See, you can drag this D at a particular location so that it looks more better drawing, more visible drawing. That's it. Okay, now we did this one, smart dimension. Now, okay, this internal is actually cut out, outer one is a chamfer. Okay, center mark. Okay, that's it. Now if you want to make center line, just activate center line and select these two lines and it will create a center line. This is the important line so that we will get the idea where exactly the holes are. Even though if you want to drag this and make full, because this line also have hole. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me place some hole line here. Okay, that's fine. And let me create at this center so that it makes us ease for apply dimension. If you want to click, you can make it display as a diameter. That's it. A smart dimension. Now select this outer edge and you will see this is a kind of machine thread. Select this center to center distance. Ladder, let me change arrow direction. Okay. Even though you can apply thread height from here to here 14. Leader, change arrow direction inside, whatever you like to keep. Okay, it seems okay. I want to, if you want to show some hidden line here, just click on the view, come down and here choose wire hidden line visible. Now look, the arrow shows. Okay, if it's not going to apply, just simply choose outside to outside and drag it. Okay, now let's look one more time. Now look, this one we have chamfer height. This is a tolerance 0.1, 99, 20, 30, 0.1, 45 degree. Okay, this is going to be here also. We need to apply dimensions here also, and here also we need to apply chamfer, fillets, and this all heights. Now let's apply smart dimension 35. Now here I am going to choose intolerance, precision, symmetric, and here plus minus 0.01. Arrow, if you want to keep inside, let's say inside. Here choose, I want to make more bold to this ladder arrow. Options, document property, dimension. Now here I am going to change ladder size 1.3 the width, and this is going to be 3, and let's say 5. This overall length of ladder arrow. Okay, now see, it looks more bold. So this is perfect. Now let's again apply. Now let's make this whole diameter 9. symmetry 0.0 plus minus 0.01. Now select this internal radius. Okay. Now here I am going to change chamfer fillet. Or you don't need to change chamfer, just simply choose smart dimension. Internal radius. Now here I am going to change first arrow direction, then come down, custom text. Here we have three options. I am going to choose the center one, broken ladder horizontal text. Look, this looks more realistic and more practical. So I am going to keep this one as it is. Let's apply chamfer. In chamfer you have to choose two edges so that you will get the idea. Okay, similarly I am going to do on top side 1 and 2. Let me drag upside and then that's it. Now let's select smart dimension. Now height of this hole 7 millimeter. Similarly this is going to do in both sides. Okay, let me little drag somewhere here so it looks more practical. I'll change layer because this layer is in black color. That's it. Okay, we did some almost for this. Come here. Smart dimension. Now arrow, font. If you want to make little bigger, let's say 4. Tolerance, bilateral, upper side 0 plus 0.1. Okay. Ladder I am going to keep inside. Let me first apply chamfer. I am going to select one and let's say this 2 edges I am going to apply. Similarly I am going to do here. Now here choose smart dimension. First go to ladder, change inside arrow. Custom text, select the center one, horizontal place. Similarly select this one and I am going to do the same thing for this. Okay, now I am going to select these internal. If you want to apply dimension, let's say in text dimension text millimeter, let's say small millimeter. Okay, now here we applied all dimensions. Okay, let me make view for this because this is also important. Detail view. Place somewhere here and I am going to change the scale 5:1 so that it looks more bold, more visible. Okay, smart dimension. Now here we can apply this internal radius. Keep arrow inside and horizontal view. So it looks more practical, more visual, something like this. That's why even if you want to change, see the size is use custom documents font 5. Oh, looks more visible, more bold. Okay, now we already did. Okay, let's apply some balance dimension to this so that. Okay, select this view and here choose hidden line visible. Okay, now center and place center mark here. Okay, now let me drag this F A B. Where is C? Okay, here we have a C, then D. Make this one E. So click and here change name E. Fine. Make this drawing also show hidden line visible. Okay, let me arrange arrow so that it looks more practical. Okay, it looks more practical. Now you can adjust your dimension according to, try to keep the gap equal in every drawing. Okay, we almost did. Let's say note. Drag front view. Again, it's unchanged. Arial. This is going to be okay. Let's try 20 millimeter. It seems bigger. Okay. Now use control key, press and control key, click with left mouse and drag. And see here. Now you can place. Double click on this. Now you can directly change left view. Okay. Let's change this 20. 20 seems more visible because our drawings standards are small. Again same, press control key, use left mouse, click and drag and leave here. Top view. Okay. Now again I am going to select same, drag, and now this time I am going, let me change this one. I am going to here write section, enter. This is the A-A space 1 S2 scale 1:1. Okay, fine. Now you can place somewhere here. Now this one, right click on this alignment by horizontal, so align with this also, vertical, horizontal. Okay, control key, drag. Now here I am going to change only BB, section B, section B, everything same. And again I am going to press control key, click and drag. CC, section C, C. Okay, drag left one here, and here we'll give the different name. Let's say this is detail view. Enter D space 5 space is to 1. That's it. This is detail C actually, not D. C already applied here. C. Okay, now better to save this drawing, otherwise shaft, keep drawing, save. Similarly, control key, click and drag, just copy this, and this is going to be E. Now let's make this table. So right click, table, general table. Now here you have to choose 6:2. Here I am going to select little bold. Okay, now place somewhere here. Okay, now double click on this section and you can write here material. Double click on this AISI 304. Material is written SAE 304. Stainless steel. Okay. Enter. Double click on the other box and polished. Enter. Symbol we will drag from somewhere else. Let's finish this one. Just drag this so that you will get a space. Okay, now for this I am going to fast forward. Now for symbol I am going to choose add symbol. This is otherwise specified dimension. Even most of the dimensions are already mentioned. Now let me present symbol plus minus 0.1. Enter. Now select this arrow and drag and place where you want to drop. Okay. Okay, what else we can do? Okay, we can do right click, edit sheet format. Now here we can do shaft. I'm going to write here shaft Solidworks drawing. Okay. Now here I'm going to do one thing. Let me change first Arial. This one is going to, let's say, increase something like, that's fine. Enter. Say okay. Okay, this is not still fit, so double click and change this size. Okay. Okay, that's fit. Color red, bold. That's fine. Here you can write any drawing number or whatever number, D100, whatever number you want, you can write it. Okay, I am going to delete this all. Use note, and here I am going to write the name, channel name, CAD CAM tutorial by. Okay, now let's change the everything. Font, I am going to choose Arial. Bees 20, bold. Color, I am going to choose, say okay. Okay, this is perfectly fine here. Even let's check, it's possible to make a little more bigger, bolder. Okay, there is a option. Okay, these all dimensions we don't need to fill because we already filled those all dimensions. So I'm going to keep this one as it is. Exit. Now look. Okay, for material already dimensions are in millimeter specified, so I'm not going to specify anything else. Okay, let's apply here. See, surface finish. This is required when machining required, and machining have one dimension, surface roughness. So let's say surface roughness, and I'm going to apply here. Okay, let's apply somewhere first here. Now click on this face, click on this edge, select on this edge. Okay, now drag this one outside. Now see, if you select, you will see this pop-up surface finish. I am going to use this one, machining required. Okay, now here I am going to apply the surface roughness, so 1.6. see here, if you want to change the dimensions, use font 3.5. okay, it's going to be small, see. Okay, similarly you can do for all. Let's apply one here. one here, one to this. Okay, let's do finish fast. Okay, so here how we did, and we almost did all the things for this drawing. Now I'm going to little do one more thing. Options, document property, here choose line, and here let me change line thickness. Hidden line 0.25, curve sketch 0.25, construction curve also 0.25, hatch equivalent to main tangent, edges, hidden, explode line no, break line no, visible edges. Say okay. Now look, it looks, see, let's see. Save as. Now here save as type, choose PDF option. Now see, include drawing paper color, unchecked, save. Okay, already this file is here, so I am going to share 2. Now look, now let me full screen, and here you will see. If you can further increase the line thickness. Let's say I'm going to choose further line increase. This is important lesson. Outer line, let's say 50. Okay. Save. Save as. Here write shaft 3. Change the different name. PDF. Save. Now again the drawing going to open. Now look. The line visibility here, outer line visibility change. Full screen. See. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.